impeachment, yung Tingog Party List po ba may stand na on it?
Well, we've been very consistent that accountability forms a very important part in governance. Hindi naman pwede nating ipasa walang bahala, hindi natin pwede. We cannot sweep under the rug an accusation, findings such as this. Kasi hindi lang naman yung impeachment case ang ating batayan dito. Nandyan din po yung resolution na inadapt yung findings ng Committee on Good Government. Yan po ay isa pang issue na kailangan sagutin. Hindi po natatapos dito at alam naman natin katulad ng sinabi ng mga prosecutors, hindi pa tapos ang impeachment case. And I think tungkulin ng bawat Pilipino at responsibility, pananagutan naming mga lingkod bayan na gawin ang aming mga mandato, nangyari man yon nitong Kongreso o sa susunod pa.
So sir, yung all Tingog reps, yan po ang posisyon.
Well, for now, I can only speak for myself. Diba? And I think I'd like to believe it's something that we all share. That accountability remains to be an important part. Now, whether the accountability will lead to the impeachment, that is not for us to say because the House has already performed its duty. But whether we believe in it, I think I would say we all share that belief.
The Speaker also said po sa speech niya, the closing speech, na the House will not back down.
Well, yes, but of course that's the 19th Congress. And with the 20th Congress, we'll have to go through the process, the formal process. Kaya sabi ko, hindi siguro ma-define ng formal processes ang isang paniniwalang magpapatuloy, di ba? Kasi wala na sa amin yung bola. Sa totoo nga, kami mismo hindi klaro kung bakit hinihingan kami ng sertifikasyon. Hindi ko personally, I cannot even understand why a certification is far more important, far more is stronger than the actual paper that has my signature that I signed under oath and that we voted upon with more than 200 members of Congress.